Hi friends! Today we are going to make delicious, healthy, tasty burger patties in very simple ways. So for that we need 1.5 cup of cooked chana dal and we have to grind it in a mixer jar. So here I have 1 cup of chana dal. So I'm going to grind it. Grind it. So here I am going to grind it properly. So now we are going to grind it. So now I have grind it. I will show you how it should be. So it should be like this. Like this it should be. See? Like this. So now I have grind it properly and I have shown you. So now we need a bowl in which we have to put this mixture. So now you can see after grinding all this chana dal, we are having this mixture. So in this mixture we are going to add herbs and spices. So the first spice we are going to use is this cumin powder. 1 spoon of cumin powder is okay to taste good. Then we are going to add turmeric. Little of turmeric. And then in that we are going to add red chili powder too. So now after putting red chili powder too, we are going to add this green chili paste. It tastes awesome. So we have put and we are going to mix it together. So you can see that we are going to mix it properly. So now we are going to add pinch of salt or we can take more. So here we have salt, this much. So we are going to put this much salt and we're going to mix it perfectly. Okay, so after putting all the spices in the batter, we are going to add some herbs to taste. So here I have coriander. You can see here I have a bunch of coriander. It's okay. And we are going to chop it and put it in the batter. And side by side while I have this breadcrumbs, bread sides, I have moistened it with some water. Okay, and we are going to crunch it and put it in this batter to make it more binding and make it so soft. And we are going to hold it properly, so we are need for binding it. Yes, so we will chop it. So here I am going to chop all this bunch of coriander. So now after adding the corianders, then the breadcrumbs, or we can say the sides of the bread. So you can see the batter is like this moist. You can see. So we can make the patty shapes and this. Yeah. Yes. So we will now make the shape of the patties. We will start making. So here I have taken this batter, small batter, here this much, and then we will start making the balls of the patties, and then we will take the shape of the patties. So here I have taken. We will use both the hands if you need to make a perfect patty shape. So I am playing with this to make a perfect shape of batter patties. So now after making the patty shape, so it will look like this. So cute and so small I have made. You can see this thick we should need. I will show you another. This one. Yes. You can see this two we are going to now all the patties we are going to make, and then we are going to shallow fry it. Okay, shallow fry it on a pan, and then we will Wait till the patties gets golden brown in color and it tastes crispy and very good and tasty because we have added some herbs and spices in it, so it will add taste yummy. Yes. Now you can see after making it on the gas, after it is golden brown, it is so crispy. So now we will decorate it in a dish. So I have kept a nice decoration. So I have some sauce, tomato sauce, ketchup we can say. So now I have put the sauce and I'm going to put mayo. We can call it as mayonnaise. It tastes amazing. So here I have some mayo. I'm going to put little bit. Yeah, a nice texture. And then here I have some oregano. We can call it as oregano. So here I am just sprinkling oregano here on the patties here and little bit on the plate, serving plate we can say. So now here I have done with the plating also, and now you can see this yummy burger patties. Yeah, you can see. Yes. And now I'm going to taste it and I will tell you how the taste is. So here I'm taking one patties and then yummy. It's amazing. I will tell you that you will not forget this taste forever. This is so amazing and this is the healthiest burger patties I have eaten or I have made. And I will prefer you to use some burger bun if you have right now, or you can get it easily in the market. And then what to do? We will cut it in the half and we will toast it on the pan with some butter. And then you can add some cheese, lettuce, leaves. Then we have some tomatoes, onions, capsicums, and oregano, chili flakes, everything we have. And we will not miss that we have to put this patties too. So to make a better taste, and I will tell you, this is amazing. Wow. So please do make this small mini burger patties at home. It is so easy and you will not need much this is easy and you can make it by yourself too. Okay, so we will meet in again other video. Till then, bye bye.